Hello guys and welcome to a new video on Sivolt Torres channel. Today I will show you how to save YouTube Shorts in playlists. It is one very simple option, so without further ado we will go right into it. I hope that you're subscribed and that you like this video. If you did, we can start. Obviously we need to open YouTube, but first of all we need to make sure that YouTube is in the newest version. We will do that by entering Play Store and checking it. If it is, go to YouTube, open some YouTube short that you want to save, click on these three lines in the top right corner and click on Save to Playlist. Now you can select some of your playlist or you can make a new one. Let's say YouTube Shorts. Create, and it is saved to our playlist. As you can see, it is that easy. I hope that I helped you. If I did, click on like. If I didn't, maybe in some next video. Until next one, I wish you all the best. Bye.